One local woman is raising awareness for heart health just months after losing her husband. Reporter Tao Ta has the story.
Clint Clausen was everything to his family. His 4 daughters and wife all remember what a great father Clausen was.
I remember that he was a great guy. He made me laugh, he tickled me, and he did a lot of fun stuff.
Last summer, the family was vacationing back east when Clausen died of a massive heart attack.
I was on his lap when he took his last breath. It was instant, and it was, of course, a shock.
Clausen was a marathon runner who played basketball at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas. He was healthy and active and only 44 years old.
We thought he had exercise-induced asthma, which he was actually diagnosed with years and years prior.
Doctors found out after that Clausen suffered from an enlarged heart. 2 of his arteries were 90% clogged.
You never think it's going to happen to you. We never thought this would happen, and it did.
Doctors say we underestimate how common heart disease is. Almost half of those patients have no signs or symptoms, but being aware and getting early heart screening can lower one's risk of heart disease.
Corey Clausen and her daughters recently presented a check for $11,000 to Providence Little Company of Mary Medical Center in Torrance. Clausen, whose husband died at the young age of 44, hopes to continue his legacy by funding 44 heart screenings for those who can't afford the $250 test. Corey Clausen recently had her own heart screening completed.
While I was having it done, I was just like, yeah, if Clint would have done this, 100% sure something would have been detected. He would have been sent to a cardiologist, and he would be here today.
The American Heart Association recommends all adults after the age of 20 get a basic screening every 4 to 6 years.
It's still the #1 killer of men and women in the United States. It accounts for almost 500,000 deaths every year.
As for the Clausen family, they are turning this tragedy into triumph.
My purpose now, our purpose, is just to keep it going and bigger and bigger and bigger.
For Torrance City Cable, I'm Tao Ta.
Thanks, Tao. The family continues to run the Four Daughters restaurant in Manhattan Beach.